Welcome! In this channel, we explain automotive terms. Automotive Service Excellence, or ASE, is a non-profit organization started in 1972 that is known as the minimal standard of excellence for an automotive technician. Its purpose is to protect vehicle owners and provide the peace of mind people expect when they take their car to a mechanic shop. ASE certification is the certification granted to an automotive technician who has completed the required training and tests and obtained their Automotive Service Excellence Certified Master Technician's requirements. This means they are qualified to work on every mechanical, electrical component, and system in a vehicle. People seeking vehicle repairs should look for the blue and white ASE certification sign located on the front of the automotive repair shop. This means there is at least one mechanic in the building with the best automotive education available. Having at least one ASE mechanic is beneficial to any automotive repair business owner since customers will know their vehicle is in good hands and will be repaired with the best craftsmanship possible. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code eraser by clicking the link here or at the description link below. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.